In this video, we present the top 5 best wet-dry vacuums in 2026, evaluating performance, durability, and advanced features. Each model offers unique strengths for homes and workspaces. Watch until the end to discover our top recommendation and key insights that could guide your purchasing decision. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Kärcher WD6P Premium Wet and Dry Vacuum, a powerful cleaning marvel that redefines versatility. Whether tackling workshop debris or spilled liquids at home, this vacuum delivers performance you'll love. Stay tuned to discover why it might be your next best purchase. Body. 1. Power and performance. The WD6P packs impressive suction into a compact design. Its robust motor effortlessly handles dust, wood shavings, water spills, and more. You'll be surprised how quickly it transforms messy spaces into clean ones. 2. Smart features. Equipped with a blower function and large capacity tank, this vacuum makes tough jobs feel easy. The integrated accessory storage keeps tools organized and ready. 3. Build and quality. Constructed with durable materials, the WD6P feels solid and reliable. It's built to last and withstand daily heavy use. 4. Ease of use. Simple controls, smooth wheels, and a long hose mean you'll clean without hassle, happy with every task. 5. Price point. At its price, this vacuum delivers exceptional value, premium capability without a premium cost. Conclusion. For powerful wet/dry cleaning with smart convenience, the Kärcher WD6P Premium impresses. Number 4. The Dyson V15S Detect Submarine. This wet-dry marvel blends Dyson's legendary suction with innovative water cleaning tech. You'll be amazed how it tackles dust, spills, and deep messes, all in one sleek machine. Let's dive in. Body. 1. Unmatched suction. The V15S Detect Submarine delivers powerful suction that lifts fine dust and debris effortlessly. You'll hear the difference and see cleaner floors instantly, even where other vacuums struggle. 2. Smart wet-dry cleaning. With dual tanks separating clean and dirty water, this vacuum hygienically washes and vacuums in one pass. The result? Spotless floors without crossover mess. 3. Intelligent detection. Built-in sensors identify surface types and adjust performance. It's like having a cleaning assistant that knows exactly what your floors need. 4. Premium design. Dyson's sleek build, easy empty system, and quality filter make maintenance simple and satisfying. 5. Price point. This premium machine offers exceptional value compared to separate vacuums and mops. Conclusion. For spotless floors and smart cleaning, the Dyson V15S Detect Submarine impresses and surprises. Number 3. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce, a surprisingly powerful wet-dry vacuum that cleans carpets, hard floors, and spills with one machine. You'll be amazed how effortlessly it blends suction and washing power, making chores feel faster and more satisfying. Let's jump in. Body. 1. All-in-one performance. CrossWave OmniForce vacuums and washes simultaneously, lifting dry debris and wet spills in a single pass. The results are visibly cleaner floors and fewer passes, saving time and effort. 2. Smart multi-surface cleaning. Switch between hard floors and area rugs without missing a beat. The brush roll and fluid mix adapt instantly, making every surface gleam. 3. Easy maintenance. Cleaning the dual tanks is simple. The self-cleaning cycle flushes residues so you never deal with slimy buildup. 4. User-friendly design. Lightweight, maneuverable, and intuitive controls mean even first-time users feel confident. 5. Price point. At its price, OmniForce delivers outstanding value, premium features without premium cost. Conclusion. For a versatile, powerful clean, the CrossWave OmniForce truly surprises and delivers. Number 2. The Roborock F25 Ultra Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a next-level cleaning powerhouse. With smart automation and unmatched wet-dry performance, this machine turns chores into something you'll actually enjoy. Stay tuned to see why this could be the best home upgrade you make this year. Body. 1. Intelligent cleaning. The F25 Ultra maps your space precisely, adjusting suction and water flow on the fly. You'll be surprised how it adapts to carpets, tiles, and spills without you lifting a finger. 2. Powerful performance. Strong suction and efficient water use deliver deep clean results. Stubborn messes vanish, and your floors look revitalized after every run. 3. Self-maintenance. Automated self-cleaning and drying save time and keep the unit fresh, no lingering odors or messy tanks. 4. User-friendly features. App control, smart scheduling, and voice support make daily cleaning effortless and fun. 5. Price point. Despite premium tech, it offers excellent value for performance and convenience. Conclusion. The Roborock F25 Ultra truly impresses, the future of home cleaning, today. Number 1. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Stretch Ultra, a cutting-edge wet-dry vacuum that redefines home cleaning. With intelligent features and unmatched convenience, you'll be amazed at how quickly floors sparkle. Let's explore what makes this machine stand out and why it could be your next must-have. Body. 1. Smart cleaning. The S7 Stretch Ultra detects dirt and adjusts suction and water flow automatically, giving deep, thorough cleans without effort. 2. Stretch 1 advantage. Extendable reach makes high and low areas effortless, no more bending or switching tools mid-clean. 3. Wet-dry power. Handles spills, sticky messes, and dry debris in one pass, saving time and energy. 4. Self-maintenance. Auto-clean function flushes brush roll and hoses, keeping the machine fresh and ready. 5. Price point. Priced competitively for its tech and performance, real value for premium results. Conclusion. For smarter, faster cleaning, the Tineco S7 Stretch Ultra truly impresses and surprises. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.